The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for Somervell County in north central Texas, east central Erath County in north central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles southwest of Dinosaur Valley State Park, or 19 miles east of Stephenville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and baseball-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Dinosaur Valley State Park around 9 p.m. Glen Rose around 9:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Walnut Springs. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hood County in north central Texas, southern Parker County in north central Texas, northeastern Erath County in north central Texas, southeastern Palo Pinto County in north central Texas, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lipan, or 19 miles west of Granbury, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: tennis ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Granbury, Pecan Plantation, Willow Park, Aledo, Hudson Oaks, Annetta, Lipan, Old Trail Shores, Morgan Mill, Tiller, Annetta South, Annetta North, and Millsap. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 381 and 418. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains.